up? We out here at the Texas Rangers game.
Fuck this girl's birthday! Woo, woo, woo.
It's my birthday.
Why
We
not?
gotta study.
Yeah, we do have to study.
Yeah.
Last test, baby, we graduate on Friday! We're graduating on Friday. We're gonna be the highest flight attendants overall! Okay, that's it. Signing off now. This is Casey. See ya.
Hey everybody, it's Deja. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram at Deja Marie, DejaMareee, on all social media networks. We graduate Friday.
My last day.
I just wanted to say that this was just a great experience. Like, it went by so soon. I won't say too soon because I'm ready to go, but it was great. You meet a lot of cool people, you know, not so cool. You get a little bit of everything, you know. I love it. Yeah.
It was all right. I'm gonna love being on the line. I'm gonna love the experience I'm getting. But as far as this whole training thing, I graduated 3 weeks ago. I've been done, but I learned a lot. You know, all of this information is very useful.
So, what was the best thing about this whole experience for you guys?
Meeting, I would definitely say I did not expect to meet people that I actually liked, and I met a lot of people that I like, especially black people. We stuck together up in here, but no, I thought this was just going to be a boring work trip, study, school, get it over with. But no, we actually had a lot of fun.
Okay. I just want to say,
Gotta get a mic.
okay, I won't be dramatic.
Gotta get a mic.
I just want to say this experience honestly pushed me way out of my comfort zone. Like, before coming here, I was trying to figure out like 6 weeks without pay. I'm gonna be in Texas. I'm probably gonna be around a bunch of people.
Remember
that
that.
are annoying.
No
Like,
pay.
just a bunch of tests and drills. Like, what?
No.
For 6 weeks? Like, then I don't know where I'm gonna live.
Mm.
How? Like, what am I doing? Am I crazy? Yeah, but am I this crazy?
Yes.
Right? But
Crazy,
honestly,
super crazy.
Like, through the points where you felt like you couldn't do it, you push through, and you make it. You know. So I think the best part was just, I think like now realizing that it was something very attainable, even when it seemed like the craziest thing I've ever done in my life, which it probably is. But hey, I think it's worth it.
It was. It's
Definitely worth it.
Definitely like that.
Damn, I got darker. It's okay.
What would you tell the you at week 1 if you could
Me
tell her
at week
something?
1, push through, sis. Like, just push through, and I did.
I would say be open. Well, I am open-minded, but don't be afraid to reach out, because I'm usually the type of person that's always in my bubble. Like, I study alone. Here he come. I study alone. I think alone. I hang out alone. Like, even throughout school, I've always studied by myself. Like, I've never studied in groups.
Ooh.
But in this program, you need to study in a group. You need the plug. You need to know.
Yeah.
You need people that's going to help you out. You need to know what's going on, because you might miss something that they might catch. And I'm just not used
What are we
to that.
talking
I'm used to
about?
just doing it by myself. So that's what I would tell myself.
Crazy.
Here he
Over
comes.
here. Let me think
So-
of another question.
What's up? Get my light. Get my light. Okay.
So
Proceed.
Oh, man.
Oh,
You
I
didn't
got
hear
a
me say that?
question.
What's the question?
Yeah, I said
In
there's
one
some-
word, how would you describe yourself before this started and then after we're done?
Can I use 3?
We can rock with that.
Scared as hell. Now-
Flawless.
Now,
Amazing.
ready to conquer.
Gorgeous. Concierge key.
Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I would describe myself. I'm the same damn person. Like, it wasn't. The thing is, I already came here open-minded. Like, I wasn't scared to come here. I was actually happy to come here. I was actually excited. The only thing is that, like I told you, I didn't expect to actually meet people. I didn't expect to study in groups. I didn't expect to talk to nobody. Like, I was trying to get in, get out. That was the motive. So that's the main thing that changed about me. Outside of that, I'm still the same person. Still trying to chill, turn up and vibe. Nothing changed.
Yeah. To anyone looking, hold on. Yeah.
I'll just wait for my
Let's come inside our world.
I'm sorry, we're here. Oh, really?
Okay.
Really?
But to anyone just thinking about making this step and you're not sure, you're going back and forth about it, I definitely say do it. It is crazy. It will push you to the edge. You will have a time where you're like, okay, so
What am I doing again?
what am I doing here?
Why am I here?
I could go back to my old job for real.
Yeah, real quick.
But I feel like, okay, it says, it always seems impossible until it's done. Keep pushing through. You're halfway there. Someone put this note card
Yes,
in
Morgan
the
Freeman.
on our
Yes.
template. So that's definitely a message.
That was
Morgan
meant to
Freeman
be.
is the
And
guy.
if somebody don't text you back, drop them.
That's important right there.
How about that?
You will definitely learn
Yeah.
a lot about yourself. I am definitely yellow and green.
Right. I don't
I'm a
know.
yellow brain.
Yellow.
I'm all over the
Her
freaking
brain
place.
is yellow as hell.
Yeah.
Like
a
it's
big
the
yellow.
brightest yellow you can
She's
find.
a big yellow. One
I
day
swear,
you'll know what
I'm
that
like-
means.
So when you start the training, quit.
You're terrible. You're terrible.
No, I'm
gosh.
just kidding.
Okay, everybody say bye.
Everything's gonna work. I'm not done singing.
Thank you. Okay, now say, welcome to America. You ready? I'm gonna say it on 3. To me, you were perfect right there.
Just let it go,
Now say welcome to
baby.
America. See, now you're in the shadow.
But sometimes love will.
God!
Welcome to American.
Right foot,